there, Wasasak. This is Mrs. Northwest. I'm going to read a story for you today. And I know a lot of you are young and you love stories. I'm hoping the rest of you are maybe not so young but still love stories. Stories are a lot of fun, and sometimes they can teach us some things that even adults need to learn. So I'm going to read a story today called Bug Makes a Splash. It's part of the Kamochi series, and I have my Kamochi friends here with me today, and you will meet some of them, and especially my friend Bug. Bug is teaching us how to be brave and how sometimes we're frightened or afraid. And all of us can be afraid at some times or another, with us having to stay inside and be careful and worrying about getting sick. Sometimes we might be afraid. We might be afraid one day and the next day be fine. But if you're feeling afraid, one of the best things you can do is talk to somebody. So talk to your mom or your dad, your aunt, your uncle, your musum or gukum, and tell them how you're feeling. Now let's see how Bug manages with his feelings. I'm going to move Bug over here so he can sit on my knee while we're reading the story. It was a nice day for a swim on Kamochi's way. That is, if you like to swim. Who didn't like to swim? Bug did not like to swim, that's who. Instead, he was curled up with his favorite book about birds. Blackbirds and big birds, red birds and blue birds. Bug dreamed of flying, but he was too afraid to try. Shouts and sounds of splashing water interrupted Bug's thoughts. He peeked out the window. Cloud, Cat, and Hugtopus were playing in the pool. So this is Hugtopus, Cloud, Cat. This is Lovey-Dove. We're going to hear from Lovey-Dove in a little bit too. Come on in, invited Cat. What are you waiting for? Asked Cloud. The water is wonderful, encouraged Hugtopus. Bug was afraid to swim. But he didn't want his friends to know, so he grabbed his goggles and inched his way to the pool. The water looked cold and wet. A sudden splash hit Bug. Ah! And he curled up into a tight little ball. Cloud and Cat were busy splashing each other. Hugtopus was juggling rubber balls. Look, another ball, shouted Hugtopus, and he tossed Bug high into the air. Cloud and Cat joined in, and the friends tossed Bug back and forth. They were all having a great time. That is, everyone except Bug. It's okay to be afraid, sang Lovey-Dove. Only then you can be brave. I'm afraid to swim, squealed Bug. Cat, Cloud, and Hugtopus froze. Bug was high up in the air and heading straight down toward the water, the cold, wet water. And then Bug uncurled himself and stretched his wings. Bug waved his wings so hard. He was flying. Is that you, Bug? Asked Cloud. It's a bird, said Cat. I knew you could do it, said Hugtopus. Bug landed softly on the side of the pool. I did it! I flew! He shouted, feeling proud. Bug was so brave, he even jumped into the pool, surprising everyone, and especially himself. Splash! The water was wonderful. It was a nice day for a swim. That is, if you like to swim. And Bug did. So boys and girls, that's our story about being afraid. And remember, your counselors are all here to talk to you and connect with you. If you'd like to talk to them, we'd be happy to hear from you. Have a great day.